These two vintage lenses are the same model. This one is working perfectly. But this one has its aperture blades stuck. The blades are not closing, forcing you to shoot wide open all the time. Here's a quick way to fix it. First, find a way to access the diaphragm. Here, I just removed the rear element. Now I need to locate the diaphragm control pin and push it to close the blades. You can see the problem. An excess of oil is blocking the blades when they are retracted inside. We need to remove it. I use lighter fluid to dissolve the oil excess. Let's do a first test. If the blades are still stuck, start the process again. Blow some air to evaporate the lighter fluid. Now the blades move freely. Of course, this is a quick solution, but it will not work for everyone. If this is not working for your lens, then you will need to disassemble the full diaphragm and clean it.